What is up, team? Chuck from Traders War Room, and I'm going to give you guys a virtual tour of Traders War Room and all of our platforms. So we're going to talk about the Discord, we're going to go over the website, I'm going to talk to you about the Options Trading University, and I'm going to go over our instant messaging platform. So definitely pay attention, and let's go ahead and get started with this. And I hope that this gives you guys some clarity on all of this type of items that we cover at Traders War Room, and we truly have something for everybody. So real quick, obviously we need to come out and say this is a legal disclaimer and we don't provide financial advice. Okay, the content is always for entertainment and education purposes only, and you have to be responsible for every decision you make. The goal is to have fun, but we also want you to use caution, and as we like to say at Traders War Room, always go to war. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to start with the website first, and then we will work our way in. So let me go ahead and pull that up. All right, and going into the website, here we go with the website. When you come to traderswarroom.com, you're going to notice that whether you're on the phone or whether you're on the computer, it doesn't really matter. You could each are great. We've worked a lot with our website. So on our website, of course, you have the toggles here that you can utilize. If you're on the phone, you might have to hit the little 3-bar, kind of menu icon, but you can go to the same stuff. And we have basically everything from the home page to specifically Discord, instant messages, alert, the upcoming classes, previous classes, the mentoring, and then we got our Options Trading University. So we're going to go ahead and stay with the homepage first. And as you notice, we got the normal trading stuff going on, little things that kind of help market the market and show, just kind of what's going on with the big tickers, of course. And then you come down here, you can kind of read different things. We have all the hyperlinks to different products and services that we provide, our premium Discord, upcoming classes, TWR mentoring, and all of these will take you to the individual pages as well. Also, this kind of goes into a little bit about us. So if you're curious on, our humble roots and kind of what made us become Traders War Room, this is fantastic. So you can kind of understand a little bit more about who we are as the owners and as the founders of Traders War Room. And of course, we go in here into the business hours, and we got contacting us. So if you want to, issue a contact and send us an email and get put onto the list of our contact email, stuff for updates and products and service releases and stuff like that, you can go ahead and do that right there. And that's about it on the homepage. So let's go ahead and dive into a little bit more with our specific. Going into the Discord page, and this is not the Discord part. I'm going to break down our Discord when we actually go into it. But when you go into the Discord part of the page, obviously it's the same thing. We got our programs here. Basically, we have a premium, basic, gold, and diamond, and we're in the process of changing this up a little bit, but currently this is still the products and services that we have for the Discord. We also have the free member base as well, but obviously with the free member base that I'm going to show you, some of the services are limited. We give great free member stuff, but the idea is to show you that we're doing great things on the premium side, and to hopefully retain you guys coming over to the premium side of the house. After all, we are a business. We're trying to make a little bit of money. We keep our prices very competitive compared to other ones out there, but which is one of the reasons why we have something for everyone. So people on a limited budget, or they just want to be part of a community, we offer that with the free side of the house. But if they want to elevate their game a little bit more and get some of these real-time buy and sell alerts, the algos and things of that nature, all that stuff costs money. So in order to provide that, we have to get a little bit of compensation, which is normal business 101. So we do that very well, and we have a great following. But obviously we have all the information here. You can read about it, and then you can definitely check on what people say. We have great testimonies that we have people, and we update these very often. We take the testimonials that people email us or people put live posted onto the Discord or our other platform or instant message platform, and we add them here so you can kind of see what real people are saying about what Traders War Room is doing. So we really hold our integrity to a high standard here. Going into the instant message alerts, These come through like a text message. Okay. We use the Telegram app for these, and it's basically just kind of a different platform. A lot of people have talked to us about being overwhelmed with their platform because it's just too much information. There's all a bunch of dings and pings and just a lot of information flowing. So we simplified it a little bit. We added the instant message alerts. So basically there's 2 rooms that go on with the instant messaging. I'll show you here in a little bit on that one. And it's basically you get the alerts through one channel, and then there's a chat channel as well, so people can connect and network along with other people, just like a trading community. So we have 2 plans on that one. Monthly is $20 and 3 months is the $55 deal, and we definitely enjoy it. This is ramping up fairly quickly. I noticed that a lot more people that are just interested in just getting some alerts and great information and not all the other extra stuff that come along with it. They like this platform a lot. So it's definitely something to check out. You can purchase it here. This will take you to the bot, and then the bot does everything for us and sets up the subscription through PayPal, and then you're off and running. But you do have to have the Telegram app, which the bot will help you get that. Here's where we have the upcoming classes. Right now, we don't have any upcoming classes going on. We're working on our next class. This was our previous class that we had. This is now going to be moving into the historical side of the house. But we're looking for, some class topics and everything like that. And we're also going to go back and do some of our older classes that we did when we first started Traders War Room. We're looking to revamp those and update them because the market has changed. The styles have changed, constantly revising tactics and strategies and stuff like that. So we're looking at, trying to give you guys the best content, the best quality, and at $15 a pop, it's hard to find a better deal for professional traders, giving you guys professional formal classes that you guys get the recorded copy. And if you purchase the historical classes, like I'm about to show you, you go to previous classes. And when you come into this one, guys, we have a ton of classes from everything, how to day trade trends, how to do moving averages. We go back to some of our very beginnings. We got an NFT class, trading candlesticks, guys. It goes on and on and on. And the process is here is when you click on this, you can watch a little preview and you purchase it. This is $15 again. And then the historical classes, once they're on this side, you watch them right from the website. So all you got to do is watch them right here. You log in, and everybody that makes a purchase has to make a free member login. And you go ahead and make a free member login. And every time you come into this website, you can watch your classes right here, just like on YouTube. High quality productions. Everything is, as professional as we can make it. And so it's a very good platform. We enjoy it very much and have a lot of great feedback. One-on-one mentoring. This is one of the biggest ones that people are, blowing us up over, and we're constantly busy on this. So, we try to book as many as we can per week, but it's very hard because so many people are wanting this knowledge. And, when you're getting professional people pushing out one-on-one mentoring at such a ridiculously low price, we're bound to get a lot of volume. And that's what we do. A lot of people are charging $200, $300, for one-on-one mentoring. And, it's done via, a phone call or, text message or some crazy. I saw one person, he charges, $200 for like a 30-minute phone call conversation. And that's ridiculous to me. Okay. Every single one of our sessions that we have right here, we do our initial for $70. That's a 1 hour one-on-one session with one of our analysts. And then our follow-ups are $55. And then if you just need a little mini session, it's usually 30 minutes to 45 minutes. It's a $40 process. But every person we do it via our business Zoom, and every person gets the recorded copy. And then some analysts are different. If you pick me, for instance, I provide a PowerPoint presentation along with our one-on-one mentoring, because I don't think you should have to go through an hour-long video to, man, he was talking about this, and then you're cycling through the video and stuff. I give you guys a presentation, which is basically like Cliff Notes or, some highlighted content of what we talked about. And you can go back there and be like, man, he told me about this. And you can go back to the notes and you can look and be like, that's it right there. And so it's a very fantastic program, and we're very successful with this. We have these booking out all the time. So if it's something you're interested in, you can go here, you book it. And as soon as you book it, it sends you to the portal for payment. Once the payment's processed, our TWR secretary will contact you via email. She'll set up a time that's convenient for you and your analyst. And you can also pick and choose the analyst you want. We have them here. Here's me, of course, Chuck. My motto is make money anywhere. It doesn't matter where you're at. We got Chris over here, trade hard, play harder. You know, that's all about him. And you got Lenny over here. If you're ready, he's ready. And that's basically kind of how we trade, and a little bit of mini bios on what we do, what we specialize in, kind of our strengths and our weaknesses. And, you know, we're very good at what we do. And we have a lot of people that have a lot of success stories based off our one-on-one mentoring. So definitely, if it's something you're struggling with or you want to learn to be consistently profitable, check out our mentoring page, because we do put a lot of time and effort. Now, let's get into this Options University, and this will also segment into our part with the options. So we partnered with Elite Options on this one because we wanted to bring a formal online education to Traders War Room, because, you know, not everybody is on Discord. Not everybody wants a platform. You know, some people just want to learn how to trade and then go do great things. And so we want to have, you know, a platform for that as well. You know, we want to be able to touch those people and provide them with that great information. So we created Traders War Room University. It's a fantastic platform. It's a formal education. We do 6-week-long courses, 2 classes per week. In each class, currently right now, we're running on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and it's at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And every class is recorded. Every class is put into the virtual classroom. We run everything just like an online education, and it's a fantastic thing. And I'm going to show you what the virtual classroom looks like so that you can see what we got going on. And this is for this upcoming class that we have starting on Tuesday, the 30th of August. So anytime you purchase the Option University course, and it's down here, right here, and this one, for some reason the format didn't work, but the purchasing is here. Okay, you can click this button, bringing it up, and the purchase will work right there. But anytime you purchase this, after the purchase is verified, and we do have payment plans available, just a little side note right there, because we know it's an elevated price and not everyone has, you know, that amount of money just to dump right now. So we worked with PayPal and got a payment plan available on that particular as well. But after your purchase, you go right here, and then you'll be able to see your virtual classroom. Of course, I own it. I'm the admin, so I see our previous one, which we had a fantastic. You can see we had 9 members. The previous one, fantastic platform. Every single one of those members was great. We already got 5 people signed up for the August class. And what happens is when you go into here, right? We'll go ahead and click into it. You're going to be given this virtual classroom, what we have right here. And this is where a lot of the content will go. Okay, any type of posts from the instructor, anything that is going on specifically with the Options University will go right here. And as you see, we got discussions so you can talk directly with the instructor or your student class members. You can go right here and talk with the members. Hello, kitty. Sorry about that. My little baby wants a little attention. Anyways, moving on. We got members right here, right? We got the welcome kit, and we got the recorded classes tab that's going to be here as well. Everything will be right here based off these toggle things. And then, of course, we run this through our business Zoom as well. And so the actual classes will be done on a Zoom, and the recorded copies will be posted right here so that you have access to it at all times. So you can go back and you can be like, man, that was a fantastic class. Or even if, say, you were late one of the days to the class, right? Because we're going to move on. It's a class setting. You know, we got the structure. So say you can't make it that certain day. Not an issue, because we're going to record the class. We're going to put it here, and you can always purchase a tutoring session. Oh my goodness. Good job. My cat just jumped onto our china cabinet, and I'll catch that later after I'm done. Anyways, you purchase a tutoring session right here, and you know, you can get yourself a tutoring session, either a single session, or you can get a tutoring session, you know, 1 session per week based on, you know, your particular needs. So it's a very fantastic program. We're glad to have it as well. And so that basically sums up the website and our Traders War Room Option University. We highly suggest that people that truly want to learn how to make money, the Options University is for you. Okay, we're not just feeding you alerts, giving you the great information, you know, buy this here, sell this here. We're actually breaking it down from the cradle to the grave. You're going to learn everything, options trading fundamentals, so that you can be very successful and go out there and not only make money, you know, now, but make money for a lifetime. And that's the end goal right there. So let's go ahead and go into the Discord platform, because that's one of the other ones that we were going to talk about. All right, now when you go into the Discord platform right here, here's basically, now mine is going to be a little different because, again, I own it, right? And so I'm going to see everything. But basically, here's the Discord platform. And what you see in here is you got everything from what we've done previously, check alerts, you got main announcements, class announcements, everything like this. And it's going on, and we even got the ticket bot. But basically, I want to highlight these. Okay, some of the things we got, this table of contents area. So you come in here, right? And basically you can scroll here, and all these are trigger points, ideas of what's going on in the server. So if you got a question, it's like, customer relations information, man, I wonder who, Traders War Room has on their staff, and, what type of people they have. And you can go right here, and you can go into the terms of use, the vision, our team. You can click these highlight things and go to different places. So let's go ahead and go in here and click the terms of use real quick, just to kind of see. And basically it gives you right here the most recent question, and it tells you, hey, in order to get the free member role, you need to read the terms and conditions, check out the document, scroll all the way up to the top, and click the emoji. So basically what we're doing is we're giving you guys the rules that we run inside of Traders War Room. We have our published terms of conditions, and all you got to do to get the free member role is click this right here, boom, and you get your free member role to get some of the great products and services we have. Say you want to learn about our vision, and just kind of understand Traders War Room a little bit. What are we offering? What's the idea? Well, we have that right here. We look at the stock market like a war zone, attack, conquer, destroy, all of our pillars of success that we go over, and we publish these so that people understand exactly what we want to go on. You want to look at our team. We got our team of analysts and people that are on the team supporting us, doing, great things for great people right there. You want to read about testimonials, it's all here. It's just all click buttons, guys. Now let's go ahead and get into what the difference is between a free member, a gold member, a basic member, and, a diamond member. So free members, all right, you get all this right here. Definitely, we want you to be able to post your gains, read things, and everything like that. You can also go over here and you go into free member resources. Okay, we're giving you guys a bunch of free member resources. All you have to do is basically choose your server icons. We use a click button because we don't want you to have things that you don't want. Okay, so we go here and we've added different people, we've added different things, and all you got to do is go into the the embedded messages here. You look at who we have, what kind of it does, and and pick and choose the ones that you want by just going to these emojis here. You can pick them all, or you can pick and choose the way you want to, just basically boom, just like that. Okay, fantastic items for everybody to go. One of these that I like to highlight is this YouTube investing. So in here, I have a bunch of my favorite YouTubers and favorite influencers that are in the realm of investing and trading. And I put them all in this particular channel so that people can follow them as well and learn a lot of information. It's all about growing, learning, and sharing together. So, and we have this accountant. This is really good. He was really popular when the accountant season, tax season was here, and we have a TWR accountant on staff. So it's a fantastic guy that does a lot of great things for Traders War Room. So definitely, if you're a free member and you haven't accessed this, go check it out. You can definitely get a lot of information, everything from, virtual tour, which I'm going to add this video into that new virtual tour, glossary of terms. You can make server suggestions. We got analyst ratings, earnings reports, and all that stuff. Also, you got access to our classes. So we push all the class information that we have, updated classes, mentoring, you got access to, asking questions on those type of topics as well. Coming into here, this is the diamond. We'll go into that in a second, but not yet. These are the diamond ones. So I'll show you that here shortly. You also are able to, as a free member, you're able to see some of the chat groups. Okay, you can't talk and react in them as a free member unless they're a free member floor. Trade Runner, McJohn, these are free member floors that are fantastic. There's a lot of great information, but if you want to come into the premium floors, you have to be a premium member. But you can view and you can look to see what we're doing, what we got going on. But in order to actually chat and connect with the members, you got to be a premium member. As a gold member. So let's go into basic members. So now we're switching into from a free member to a basic member. Okay, you decided you want basic. It's $15 a month, and what you get with basic is you get all of this right here, premium basic. Okay, you're going to get daily stock watch list that looks like this, right? Comes in, gives you the trigger point stock list, and it's giving you a little bit of market information. Okay, you get this daily. All right, weekly, which our weekly one should be coming out here shortly. It usually comes out around 10 11 o'clock in the evening on Sunday. But what it does is it gives you a great outlook and a great in-depth of what's going on with the, economy, the economics, the stock market, and everything. And I'm going to go ahead and click it so it can show you what's going on with this. And basically it goes in here, right? Hyperlinks on the document, and it goes into technical analysis, all different types of stocks, earnings, comments, giving you just great information. Okay, this is like, really in-depth, not just technical analysis, but you're getting, the fundamental analysis as well of why stocks do what they do based off of the economy, based off the fundamentals of the stock market and the stock sectors, and also the individual stocks. And it's a fantastic, platform for people that are really interested in that as well. All right, and then you get live trending stock alerts, okay? And we got fantastic stock alerts that come in, great information, technical analysis, different stocks, different tickers, a lot of things about SPY, a lot of things about, QQQ, the stuff that moves, but great information. And these are a wealth of knowledge. And it's a fantastic platform, especially for people that are newer investors and want a little bit more than just the buy and sell alerts, but don't want all of the hubbub of just the big rush of analysts pushing out information. This is a little bit slower paced, a little bit more in depth, and really is geared towards learning and growing as a trader and investor. All right, now let's go into gold members. So as a gold member, you get one of our platforms right here, and this is our algo trading bot. Now this one is only specifically a long signaling bot. So basically, what does that mean? Long signaling bot. Okay. It's going to be the calls. Essentially, this particular bot, it's a machine learning AI algorithm that we made proprietary at Traders War Room, and it's giving you out all sorts of different tickers. We got about 150 tickers inside of the repository that it cycles through, and when specific criteria is met, it goes ahead and pushes out a score, and then it gives you great information. So example, let's look at this. Okay, it's telling you that the signal was pushed for Walmart to go long, and it's giving you that it's closed 87% win rate in 15 trades closed based off of the signal. Now the cool thing about this is, since it's machine learning and we call it the Terminator, it truly wants to be better and better and better and better every time. So that's its main goal, is to be 100%. Now, 100% is impossible, but the algorithm and the Terminator and AI and the machine learning, it'll try consistently to be 100%. And so that right there is something that is a fantastic platform. And people love this thing. And it's example like, Nike. You want to go long on Nike? Great. It tells you its win rate, 82% win rates, and 11 trades that have been closed. And you can go ahead and go into Nike. You do your own due diligence. You look at the chart. You pick the contract that you want, or you decide to go long shares, and you go ahead and put in your thing. I always suggest to go out 2 to 4 weeks on any of these alerts to give yourself a little bit of time, especially in a volatile market such as we had on Friday. Everything was dumping. It's a great opportunity to buy on some dips and go long on these, and these hit all the time, especially if you give yourself enough time. I've never had one of these that did not hit if I gave myself the right amount of time. I've had a couple of these that I've tried them out, and like I said, I tried these too. I trade off of these as well, because if you have something in your server as an owner and you're not using it, then why have it at all? So I use these all the time as well. But I noticed that the better success ratio is, example, if I go with Nike and I push it out 2 to 4 weeks so that I can give myself some time. Because if I were to go with Nike and we have a dump in the market like we did Friday, and my expiration is the 26th, right? Then I'm SOL. And that's not the algorithm's fault. That's basically the market doing what the market does and being volatile and unpredictable. So definitely something to look into as a gold member if you're interested in just straight up algorithms. It takes the guessing out of it, and we have it for you here on Traders War Room. Now let's go into some of these alerts, guys. Option day alerts, tons of these. Again, we're using you choose your own options. Okay, you can get them all, or you can pick and choose. But guys, look at this. I mean, we have tons of alerts going on. And let's take a look at like Spartan trend lines, for example, right? He's pushing out all of his trend lines, and then he gives you the counter that, how it did for the day. And it's a fantastic platform. His trend lines are on point, guys. He's making money hand over hand. We got MTA. That's a fantastic trader. He's pushing a lot of great information on, Tesla and Neo and all these different ones. Virtual alerts. He's a very good trader as well. He likes to trade SPY a lot. And we just got something truly for everybody on our platform. And these are specifically day alerts. Sometimes they'll swing, but most of these are day-driven alerts to make money, capitalize on momentum. Moving into as a gold member, you get the option to have the swing alerts. These are where you'll find my alerts and a few other ones that are swinging. And, my alerts, I push out very consistent alerts that make a lot of money, and a lot of mine are swings. Sometimes we trim on the day, like example, Apple and AMD. These were pushed out on Friday and we noticed that they started dumping hard. So we went ahead and trimmed while in profit. Why not? If you're up $50, you should take some money. Green is green. But most of these, say you didn't have any day trades. All of the trades that I do for the most part, unless I specifically state day trade only, are going to be swing trades. So that is primarily what I do. And I got a lot of other swing traders out there that do the same things I do. Small accounts. So you got a small account and you want to make try to make $1 out of 15 cents, right? Not an issue. Okay. A lot of these other alerters up here, they give you small accounts as well, but we have specifically ones here that deal with more of the smaller accounts, the stuff that are usually under $100 per contract. So you can make money with any type of budget. And that's really the goal. And again, the click button, you can get them all, or you can pick and choose, and it's retroactive. Going into option spreads and leaps. So we don't want to just be a one-trick pony, okay? We don't want to just be, straight up calls, puts, and stuff like that, right? So we got our options, our leaps, and our different types of spreads, okay? So that different people can trade different styles. And it's a fantastic platform. So we do like this a lot, and we're making a lot of money off of these leap trades, man. This leap trader here, this TWR leap trader, this one is a fantastic trader. And you can see some of these profits that he's made here recently. Look at these on just all these, forward, the $12 calls, he profited out entry 271, out 575. I mean, he's making a killing on these, and these are all pushed out till like 2024. Tons of time, guys, tons of time, right? So that's something that is really important, and a lot of people like these because it gives you a little bit more time and you don't have to watch the market as consistently. All right, you're like, Chuck, I don't do options, I do stocks. Man, we got you covered. Look, everything. We got you from dividend type of trading and to just regular penny stocks, and even some bigger stock, just normal selling. Okay, something for everybody. Okay, so if stocks is what you like, we got stocks as well. And you may be asking, hey, crypto, I like crypto market is sucking right now, can we still make some money? Guys, I'm telling you, we can. We got a whole bunch of crypto guys on here that are still trading crypto because they know how to trade both the bull and the bear market, and they're giving out great information. Mixed Picks is one of our most recent ones, and he's a fantastic trader, guys. He's making money no matter which direction the market goes. He's going to make money using crypto. He says he loves crypto market because it's a true market with no BS centered around it. And then you got on a gold, you got different things. You got access to the chart bot where you can go in here and you can pick and choose chart bots and use our OFB platform and our alpha bot. So as a gold member, you're able to utilize these to get a lot of great information. We also give you a center for some great analysts that we like, and we put them in consolidated groups for signaling feeds. We also follow ticker on charts, and we add them right here for everybody. And we got different accounts for earnings, economic updates, market news, biofarm, and EV news. So definitely a lot of wealth of knowledge. And then one of the things I don't think gets used as much as it should as a gold member, you get access to training videos, reading materials, and trading illustrations. These are fantastic. I love these trading illustrations because we're trying to hit the idea of learning from every type of platform. Okay, some people learn better from watching videos. Great, we got videos for you right here. Boom. All sorts of different videos that go over different topics and strategies. Definitely, videos is the way you learn. Fantastic. If you're more of an intellectual person, you like to read the information, we got reading materials here. Okay, I went out and scoured the internet and found a whole bunch of books and links and free sources on great information. I dumped them in here as a self Research and Learning Development Center. And then illustrations. And illustrations, I love it. Okay, I like pictures. Pictures, are what I like to look at, and they kind of draw an understanding. And I got tons of illustrations here on all sorts of different things, like most popular indicators, reversal and discount entries, new traders, pro traders, schemes, patterns, best time for trade. So something for everybody, guys. Like I've been telling you, truly something for everyone and every type of budget. Now, we went over free member, we went over the basic, we went over the gold, and I want you to tell every elevated tier gets the bottom tier underneath it. So free members, you guys know you're free, right? Basic, you get all the free member plus the basic. Gold, all of the basic and the free member plus the gold. Diamond, that's what we're going to talk. All of the gold, basic, free member stuff plus the diamond specific stuff, which we're going to talk about right now. So let's go ahead and get into that real fast. So diamond specific, here we go. So with diamond specific, you have all of this information. And this is why people enjoy the diamond stuff. This is majority of the live trading that we do. Okay. So we have live pre-market analysis show. Every day the market's open. We got a pro trader inside of the live pre-market doing a pre-market morning show, essentially. And they're going over the market temperature, the heat of the market. You can hop in there as long as you're a diamond member. The link is right there in a diamond member link. You hop in there and you can get great information on what's popping inside of the market and kind of get an understanding, warm fuzzy on kind of the trends of what are happening. So it's very popular. People love this one. And so something we've kept going. Live trading, this is one of the hot ones that gets a lot of people, and they love this. And this is why diamond to them is so important. Every day the market's open, from the bell opening to the bell closing. We have a professional trader inside of this room that is trading as the market's going. Now, not all the time are they trading. You might hop in and for the first 15 minutes or, a 20-minute period, there's no trades going on. But what you get is you get a pro trader that's looking at the market trends, watching the charts. You want a question answered real time. You ask the question, you get the real answer. Okay. This is the advantage of being a diamond member. You get that real professional trader right then and there, answering questions, doing on the spot mini trading sessions, and you can see kind of what the pro trader is looking for when they enter and the exits and the trades. So it's a fantastic platform. We also got live trading guests. We have guest analysts that come in, and we have a new one that's doing a special in the morning, Monday through Friday. He's coming in and doing his style of trading. We don't want you just to be stuck with Traders War Room specific live trading. We want a variety of different types of analysts out there. So we have guest analysts that come in and they do professional trading as well during the market hours. We also got this live trading discussion and pre-market discussion. So this is these buttons where if you got something that you want interested in, you want to have a discussion real time and do like a little mini session, you can dump the question there. And if you can't, this is specifically for people that can't maybe make it into the live thing. We got some people that are, government employees, and they can't, pull Zoom up because of the Microsoft contract with the government and stuff like that. But they ask the question here, and we can answer them and show them charts and stuff like that. Another premium diamond member exclusive for being a diamond member. We also got this one right here. This is fantastic. Okay. I want you to show you this one, the SPX and NDX bot. So this bot is a fantastic bot. Okay. This thing, what it does is it enters both shorts and long, and it's a trailing bot. So example, it'll signal in and it's going in a short position on NDX. It gives you a suggested contract, QQQ, right? All this information here, and it's going to give you the trail. And so it's set up, it's another algorithm that's ran off of AI and machine learning. So it's always trying to get better, but it's trailing the market. And, you don't have to get into the Qs, right? We know that the Qs cover the tech, right? So if the Q is signaled for a short position, good chances Apple, Microsoft, NVDA, AMD, the stuff that's inside of the Q is probably going short as well. So if you can't quite afford Q or you don't like the trade Q, you can use the underlying stocks that are inside of the ETF and use those as a guide as well. And it's going to give you the information that trails it until it exits. And it's going to make up multiple entries and exits throughout the day. It's constantly rolling along. We got trailing stop loss that's associated with it. And it's making trades on and off, on and off, on and off. And we use this as owners. We use this also as an auto trader for us. So a lot of us are invested in these as well. And, we put the auto money into these, and it auto trades for us. Because like I said, if we have something on the platform and we're not using it ourselves, then why have it at all, right? I mean, it doesn't make sense to me. I know a lot of people got a lot of BS out there, but we're trying not to be the BS ones, right? We want to believe in what we have, and we actually utilize the services that we have. We even got sports betting. We got a future trader as well. We go in here in the future trading, and we got sports betting. Sports betting is fun, guys. I like sports betting. And we got a fantastic trader that does nothing but sports betting, and he loves to trade, basketball, football, soccer, baseball, UFC fights, everything. So definitely, if you're into sports betting, this is definitely something that would be interested for you. Moving on into another thing that we got data quant for the specific premium diamond members. So you get all of the gold stuff, all the basic stuff, all the free stuff, and you get the package of the premium data quant stuff. And we got the golden sweeps, the dark pools, the quant alerts, unusual options, halts, and some news. And we even got videos inside here. If you're like curious, like you're like, golden sweep, what is that? I don't know what that is. You can go up here to the pin message and you can look right here, boom. And I got how to use the data quant data. I got a video there. And then I got information on data quant Discord bots. And then I got information on the different feeds and what golden sweeps are. This was my old account that got hacked, so it's a deleted user. I'll have to add my new one in there. But I got information in here too, how to use golden sweeps, so that you can learn how to utilize this, both, remember, reading, visual, and video. Okay, I'm trying to hit all aspects of how people learn and everything. So we got a fantastic platform here, and these are great information. Data quant really gives a fantastic platform of information, and just you use these as guides to make decisions on good information to get into trades and stuff like that. These shouldn't be taken. You see this and you JD, bearish, and you see the strike and the put, you shouldn't just hop into it, right? You should look at the chart, make sure you can see what they're putting out, the trend and everything like that, and to make a sound decision. But this can help you weed out some of the choices. You see an alert coming in and you're like, ooh, AMD. Ooh, what's the news on AMD? Bearish? Ooh, let me look at the chart. You pull the chart up, you look at it, do some cross reference, some DD, and then you make an informed decision and hopefully make some money. So definitely something very awesome. Well, guys, hey, that is about it for the virtual tour. One of the things I wanted to highlight, we also have, a lot of the stuff right here. Check alerts. I push the alerts that we have, right? Anytime people come to me and they're like, I get a lot of things like, hey, what type of alerts you got? Are you guys really as good as everyone says? All this type of stuff. And, I let the proof is in the pudding, man. I don't have to beef up our server against other people's server, okay? We have a lot of stuff going on, and the proof is right here. And you can go in here and you can scroll up and just look up absolutely all of the bangers that we push out. Not just me. I put up the other analysts up there as well. I put them out there so I could highlight this. Anytime you go in here, you can check and see what people are doing and what type of alerts we got, and you can see the variety of what we offer here. We also push the main announcements here. Definitely we like to push out information and things of that. Any type of events we have, like we got a town hall coming up on Friday for Discord members where we're going to discuss, things like a normal business would. We're going to have an agenda, that is in line with our goals and our ideas for forward progress. And we're going to take suggestions from people live. That's one of the things we do that, other servers that I know aren't doing as well, is that, we're actually getting the feedback from other people. And we want that because, we're the young kids on the block trying to knock at the big boys. And, we got to make sure that our user base is strong and that we listen to what people say, and we make, decisive decisions that are for the best of not just TWR, but for the server clientele as well. And then we got our, TWR only, YouTube video right here. Boom. This is where all of our stuff goes that we push out information. And this video that we push out here shortly, this will go there as well as on the virtual tour. Now, Discord is done. We went over the website. We talked about the Discord. Let me briefly go into the instant messaging platform real fast, and so we can get you on your way. Let's go see what we got. So right here. All right. So what you're going to see, you're going to see two channels. This is the instant messaging platform right here. This is it right here. and you're not able to see this. So let me pull this up. All right, here it is right here. This is the instant messaging platform right here that you're able to see. Two channels, the lounge and the alerts channel. Let's go into the alerts channel right here. And I'm going to go ahead and blow this up so you can see a little better. So the alerts channel, all the alerts that we push out, we pushed it on this platform as well for our things. All the alerts, the entries, the exit, and the great information. Our manager that runs this, he does everything from the morning. He comes in here and puts great information and charts, all the things that come onto our watch list. He puts out all these information and charts so that everyone is successful on this particular platform. It's a fantastic platform with only two channels, the alerts channel and in the lounge, where we chit chat with people. We push information out, we chit chat with other people, we push the videos, and we talk amongst people. So definitely, if you're into something that's a little bit less, roomy, like you saw in the Discord, there's a lot of rooms, there's a lot of information. If you're into something that's a little less cumbersome, this may be a platform that interests you. And we definitely have it here for anyone that's interested on that as well. So we hope you take advantage of some of the stuff that we got going on, because we think we have something great and beautiful. All right, guys. So at the end of the day, that is it. And we want to remind you guys to come trade with the bulls for Traders War Room. All right. We look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sector are our battle. We do it together as a team. Right there below, you can see our website links to the Discord, to TWRUpcoming.com, to the instant messaging bot. We just went over the entire platform that we have from the cradle to the grave. We've got something truly for everybody. We want to invite you to come trade with the bulls at Traders War Room. And as always, just like we say, we look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sectors are our battles. We do it together as a team. We want to attack. We want to conquer. We want to destroy. But we want to do it as a team, united together, guys. Now, if that sounds like something that you can get behind and you want to get on board with that, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war together. Traders War Room. Let's get it. Have a great day. Hope to see you trading on our platforms. With that said, I'm out.